During this video, you will learn about Route Planner and a new mapping tool within the customer portal. To get started, you will need to have already registered for the customer portal, so simply sign in using your email and password. If you need help setting up your account, we recommend you watch the Getting Started video, which will help you register as a user and set up your customer portal account. From the home screen, navigate to Permit Applications, then click New Application. Initially, you will be asked to provide a reference or name your permit. We suggest using a name that will be easy for you or other users of the account to find. As an example, we have used the route description along with a note for vehicle type. To submit your permit application, follow the step-by-step guide at the top of the screen. However, for today, we will jump straight to Step 2, Route. Click on Step 2. This will take you straight into the Route Area Details screen. Important to note here, you will see the word Vehicle is highlighted red. This means that information is missing from that step in the permit application process. All steps must be complete before you can submit your permit application. This feature means you can save and return later to complete and submit your application. Now back to adding the route details. Select Single Route. If you have an existing route ID, you would add it here for the system to call up the route detail. Otherwise, choose Create a New Route, and this will display the mapping tool within the customer portal. Here, you can plot your start address, destination, and waypoints. You will note the system delivers autofill suggestions as you type. The map will then display your route as a red line. To add a waypoint, you can enter the details or use the drag and drop feature. So that's a quick overview of the mapping tool within the portal. Now let's look at the full version of the Route Planner. This will enable you to use additional features including route summary, display road networks, as well as options to switch between street or satellite views. Click Open in Route Planner, which will first display the pop-up before opening the tool in a new window. The route details entered in the customer portal are now displayed. Let's start by looking at the routing functions. For route summary, you will note as you roll over the road names, you will see the section of the road highlighted on the map. This works in reverse. When you hover on the map, it will then highlight the road name. You will also have the option to copy roads. Download the roads as a KML for use in applications like Google Earth. Email the route and save. Above the route summary, you have the option to change the route opacity, and from this screen, you access Google Street View by dragging the person icon to the chosen point on the map. Here, you can find additional road details such as address, road name, road owner, simply by clicking on a map point. Now let's look at map layers. From the side navigation, you can turn on layers to show boundaries and points of interest, or display the state road network. Also within layers, you can use the drag and drop function, change the opacity of the layers, and filter layers, as well as changing the base map from Google Road Map to hybrid and satellite. With waypoints, by clicking on two arrows located on the bottom left in the sidebar, you can see an image view for each of your waypoints. This is a great feature in the Route Planner, giving you a street view of the points along the route, such as intersections and bridges. Note if a black line appears on your planned route, this is only to indicate that the road name is missing from the data. Draw tools are also accessed from the side navigation bar. You have the option to add lines, areas, and text to the map, as well as displaying distance. Route Planner also has a print function where you can change size, orientation, and base map, producing a PDF with the route ID, title, and map detail. Once you have finished using the Route Planner tool, simply close the Route Planner window and you will return to the customer portal where you can continue your permit application. Click Refresh Route Versions and this will add the updated route details to your permit application. Now you can continue applying for your permit. So that's an overview of the Route Planner and its main features and tools. Finally, if at any time you need help, visit the support site found under the question mark in the top right of the customer portal screen.